Want to see what I eat here on Saipan? Join me in my bachelor's kitchen for another episode of Saipan Savory.
Never really sprung like this, creeping through my mind all night and day. I watch you like you're on my wrist. Come over, I need you.
Hi, my name is Walt. It's time to discover Saipan. I call this one my Jasmine rice and veggie medley. It features some ingredients you might not be familiar with. First step, rehydrate your dried bean curd, fǔzhú in Mandarin. Soak your kelp seaweed, Hǎizǎo. Wash your mung bean sprouts, dòuyá. Now prepare your rice. The cool thing about jasmine rice is it only takes 15 minutes to cook on a low flame. I use 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, about a teaspoon of Celtic sea salt. Bring water to a boil. Add 2/3 cup. Lower the heat and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Next is the salad. 35 days after Typhoon Sinlaku, we're starting to see locally grown veggies other than Cancun and sweet potato leaves on the shelves. My simple salad has locally grown sunflower microgreens, US romaine lettuce hearts, and US carrots. By the way, feel free to ask any questions in the comments. I also add a few fresh basil leaves grown right here on Saipan, and I put the stalks in the rice for a little flavor. Add olive oil, a little bit of salt, and we move on to the main course. The Sabalo market vendors are all selling Cancun and sweet potato leaves since they grow very quickly. Pumpkin, zucchini, malunggay. I'm stripping the leaves from the Cancun. The leaves and the stalks cook at different speeds, so we're going to do it right this time. Strip the leaves from the sweet potato stalks. The stalks of the sweet potato plant are a bit tougher, so I don't cook those. Chop the Cancun stalks. Add some color with pumpkin, locally grown. Add some zucchini. Wash again. Add a little water to the rice, and the rice is done. Chop the leaves. Wash. Prepare the spices for the stir fry. Turmeric, black pepper, Celtic salt, powdered ginger, cayenne, fennel seeds, and fresh ginger. Olive oil. Add veggies, medium heat. Drain the mung bean sprouts, drain the seaweed. Cut the seaweed into smaller pieces. Add the bean curd. Add the sprouts. Strip the leaves from the malunggay, aka moringa. Wash. Add a little water if it dries out. Add the greens. Cancun, sweet potato leaves, moringa leaves. Add the spices, turmeric, black pepper, Celtic salt, powdered ginger. Now I use a coffee grinder to grind my fennel. Sounds like a phrase you would use to indicate someone's annoying you. That really grinds my fennel. Add a little pasta sauce for flavor, and we're done. Add a few more leaves. Now here's a presentation trick my friends Sandra and Paul showed me when I was in San Francisco. You can use it for millet or quinoa or rice. Get a small bowl or any unique shape, pack the rice, and impress your dinner guests. Add salad, add the stir fry, add an avocado for good measure, take a photo for your viewers. Bon appetit, and I'll see you in the next video.
subscribe.